New year, new you, right? But where do you begin? By the end of this video, you will know exactly where you need to begin your fitness lifestyle journey. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you give me a bell, and make sure you comment with any questions or just share some of your struggles along your fitness journey. I have helped many begin their path to healthy living and continue to help them along their journey to this day. Now it's your turn. I am about to run through 3 different categories. You decide which one you fit in and take action. You need a personal trainer. If you have yo-yo dieted, if you have pain or discomfort, or you simply have no idea where to start. A trainer will provide you guidance. You'll also get to try a variety of different fitness genres, and more importantly, you'll build fitness confidence. You need to join a group exercise class. You have worked with a personal trainer for at least 1 year. You have been exercising on your own for at least 1 year. Or you have fallen off the wagon. Living a fit lifestyle requires like minds. More important, communal accountability is huge for success. And the culture will challenge you to be better every time you go. You need to compete. If you have been exercising for over 5 years, if you have been following the same workout regimen for over 2 years, if you are ready to compete against your toughest foe, yourself. Competition training provides regular metrics for a baseline to constantly see your progress. More importantly, it allows you to compare yourself against others to see what is possible that maybe you didn't even know was possible before. And the most important thing about competition is it educates how you perform under pressure. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video on how to build the perfect home gym.